Hello kids, I am going to tell you how to make a landscape. A landscape where there are hills, trees, birds, huts, river, stones and grass on the earth, and human figures and animals also to be shown in the landscape. So first of all I have drawn the hills for the very far side. Now I am going to draw hills a little bit closer to us. This is the another layer of hills. Now I am going to a little far range of trees. So now I am going to draw a river coming towards us, and it's very narrow in the beginning where it comes from, and as soon as it comes us towards us, it's going broad, because things are always big and clear in size when we are looking them from the very close, and though these things are looking very blur and small size when we are looking from the far side. And now going to so there are some stones on the edge of the river, and there are small stones and big stones. There are mixed type of, and there is some grass on the edge of this river shown here in this, and there are some stones also in the another side of the river, and a bit grass also there are. And now I'm going to draw a hut. So this is a hut. Now it's a big door, and it's a window, and hut, there are some grass outside and very close to it. And there is a big tree besides the hut, big tree. A tree may be in the backside of the hut or in the front of the hut. You can draw it anywhere, but it should be beautiful. It may be in the backside or in the front also. So there are some. Now I have drawn a very small tree, and it's the big tree. And I'm going to draw another hut far away from this one, which is I have already drawn. It's very small in size because it's a bit far away. And now I'm going to draw grass, and there are some big trees also very close to the hut. These are the big trees. Big trees. There are also some very small in size trees in the very close to the hills. Actually, trees are always the same size, maybe a small or big. But when we are looking trees from the very far side, it always appear very small in size. And the same of the trees are when we looking from the very close, it looks very big and very clear. It is due to the rhythm, the perspective of the natural events shown in the landscape or anywhere in the area of things where things are shown. So these are the trees very close to the hills. It's very small in size. So this is also another range of the trees which is very close to the hills, and these are very small in size and a bit very blurring. So these are not very clear as there are some other trees shown. For example, the tree close to the hut is very clear because they are very big, they are very close. That's why they are much more clear. Now I'm going to do some pencil shade here on the hills. When they are close, we are going to have dark colors, and sometimes we use direct shades When we use colors for the very far side area, there are some uh, soft colors or light colors. Now, a big tree here in the left side of the river is also to be shown. It will balance the landscape. So this is the size and formation of the tree, which is on the bank of the uh, river, and here are some its leaves. And grass is also to be shown there near the tree. There are some birds flying in the sky. So this is the rough sketch of the landscape. This is how a landscape is drawn by pencil. Now you can use uh, watercolors, oil colors, wax colors, pencil colors to color it. So it's up to your choice. Do use any of the colors which you like most. Uh, there are some layers shown in the river. As water flows, it creates so many layers, so many waves. That's why it looks beautiful. And those are we can make here some creatures, some sort of animals, etc. Now I'm going to draw a rabbit which is moving or jumping very fast. So this is a rabbit shown in this area. That's all for today.